Good morning. It is bright and early and we are headed to Lamb's Farm for the Dogwood Days and art sales. So there's going to be a lot of vendors there, or at least a good handful. And I don't know all this going on. You can check it out on the link, but we are going to be selling our artwork. So I just wanted to show you our crazy back of our van here. Let me turn the camera around. So here's all the artwork boxes. We've got 12 by 12s and snowmen and all kinds of winter things, fall, spring, summer, all kinds of paintings. Let me pull up this one box. And all of these boxes are full of original artwork that has been painted with Art Rave during our big event years. And while those events are slowing down, a lot of these are probably never going to be painted again, or not for a very long time. So we are moving out some of our garage, and then here's the doggies. Come say hi. So I'm bringing my pets because you can bring your dogs. Wait, stay there. What? And there's Duke and Luca. Stay there, boys. And we have our helpers, Raphael and Giselle.
We put ice in it and ice in the
Awesome. Great. All right, well, we'll see you guys there. Hope you guys can come out and enjoy the Dogwood Days.